Good day and welcome to my channel. This series is about the adventure and excitement of an African safari. It's not about the quality of footage, but rather about the experience of living almost within touching distance of the Big Five. It is about exploring, sometimes off-road, through some of the wildest terrain you will find in Africa. Be warned, elephants love oranges. We knew about their fetish and so placed our box of outspan export-grade oranges about 15 meters from our vehicle, just in case. In less than 30 minutes from arrival, we could smell an elephant approaching, and he devoured the oranges, box and all. Elephants have been known to break into vehicle using their tusks just to get to oranges.
Number 4. Still enjoys the cardboard.
Look at his ear.
5. 6.
He's picking up orange after orange and mixing it with the cardboard. And you gotta handle the carbohydrates with your fruit in it.
His tail's gone.
A pack of 5 hyenas mercilessly hunting a young giraffe that they have injured.
Moving in for the kill of a baby giraffe. Hoping to witness a kill, we left the track we were traveling on and followed them into the bush for some 5 kilometers. Eventually, the bush became too thick and we had to abandon the tracking. On top of our vehicle. The distance from the lens of my camera to the lion is no more than 6 feet. My heart is pumping, but I'm getting the job done. The lions had been eating for some time and were full, allowing us to approach into their kill. As the lions began to move off, 2 hyenas moved in to claim the spoils of what was left. If you enjoyed today's video, please click on subscribe below and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on my next posting.
Okay, Alan, go.
Here are some scenes from my next video.